one in Harvey's eyes, other things will have to wait, so Harvey and I can have a date. Hi.
Now slow down. I can only listen to so fast.
Yesterday. It's amazing. The dust travels all the way from the pixie dust tree. Kind of like you did. Whoa, you...
Dove Cameron.